Toyota Fortuner V-Variant White Pearl. Start with 2,009,000. With fog lights, front end rear sensor, projector headlights, 360 camera. 360 camera. Tapos ito na yung mask natin. Q-Variant White Pearl. Tapos side step. Yan, 360 camera. Tapos chrome na yung door handle natin. And naka-smart key system na siya. Yan. Manual adjustment and seats. So ito, wala lang, hindi lang naka-install yung libre na seat cover ni customer. Wala kasing available ngayon. Naka-push start button. Yan, paddle shift. Yan. Nandito na din yung mating nila. Touchscreen monitor niya. Yan. Ito yung loob.